People are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Rod. Sunset Ford purchase was easy, fast, and down to earth. Chris, my sales rep, is very knowledgeable and did a great walkthrough on my new Maverick. Here's Tally. Tommy was a great help answering all our questions and, even better, getting us the best deal. I'm looking forward to a long relationship with Sunset. Next up is Brett. Just a routine oil change, but they were fast and did a great job making sure that I was taken care of in a timely manner. Everyone was friendly and accommodating to me. And finally, here's John. Tammy in service is awesome. She took great care of us both times we came in for issues with our F-150.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.